Hi, this video is going to support you for question number 3 and question number 4. I'm doing a problem very, very similar to those two. So anyways, go ahead and read this problem to yourself and ask yourself, what am I finding? And if you need extra time to read it, please pause the video and unpause it when you're ready to come back. Okay, I hope you had enough time to read the passage and you're able to kind of identify that you're finding the probability of buying a black Vans. To buying Anyways, you remember probability is represented with an equation, and what goes inside here is the word black for black bands. And we already know that the probability equation is equal to a fraction. The number on top is the number of favorable events, and that depends on the inside, right? So the top number and the bottom. Actually, go ahead and fill in the top number right now. Hope you're able to notice that there's only 7 black shoes. That's why we wrote the 7 on top. All right, now the bottom denominator number is the total amount. So based off the word problem, and you can even verify by adding these numbers up in the table, there's 20 possible outcomes. So it's 7 over 20. We notice that there's no fractions available in either one. So what we had to do, we had to convert it to a decimal. We're going to go ahead and convert this to a decimal. And if you remember in the calculator, you have to do 7 divided by 20 because that little bar in between the numbers is a division sign. Let me go ahead and do that. This is equal to 0.35. All right, we're noticing that none of these answers are in, or actually there is one in decimal, but that is incorrect. Let me fix that because it's a mistake. We notice that none of the responses are in decimal form. Now that I made that correction, so that's not decimal, but our response is in decimal form. So what we have to do is we have to convert our decimal into a percentage. So, like I told you before, you should know this by now from 6th grade. And if you remember from 6th grade, you move the decimal over to the tens and you move it over to the hundreds place. That will give you a percentage, and you kind of ignore what's in front. So, that percentage is equal to 35%. And as you can see, 35% is right there, and that's your solution. Now, I hope this kind of clarifies a little bit of what you're doing for questions 3 and 4. We had to switch it up on you guys because now we kind of have to really prepare you for decimals, fractions, and percentages. Anyways, I hope you have a good day.